Hey Forex trader, welcome to this amazing channel. On today's trader talk, I'm going to be explaining the opportunities that is going on CADJPY. Now, what is happening on CADJPY? CADJPY now is may likely cause many people to lose money and at the same time make people to gain money. Now, welcome. Now I want to show you what you call the trader what did they call this, the first thought process of a trader, now to any profitable trader like me or to any good trader like me, this is how we analyze the market. So stay with me as I uncover the secrets of how a profitable trader analyze the market. Now, as you all know that I'm a top-down analyst, I'll be taking this from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame and showing you all how I do take trades and the potential entry and exit, the contingency plans, etc. So let's go. Now I'm going to be analyzing this starting from the monthly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, you could see that this market is currently on. It is currently bullish. Now why did I say it is currently bullish? If you could see that the market was creating series of higher highs and higher lows. Now look at it, it created this double top, this double bottom. This was the double bottom that caused this push to the upside. Now as it caused this push to the upside, it was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now it is currently creating a higher high to touch this next key level. But as you can see on the monthly time frame, market has come back to this resistance zone, and this resistance zone is the 3-month resistance zone. And you see market came back to this place which year before? That was 2024. On 2024 market came to this place, then pull back down. I think, let me see the next candle, it was 2024. Yes, then pull back down. Then now market came here 2025, that caused this rally to the upside. Now 2026 now is currently trying to break this upside. Are you seeing? So the market is currently in an indecision zone like this. It is in an indecision zone. They are trying to think between buyers and sellers and are fighting, or they are trying to negotiate which one will take over. Should it come back down, or it should continue going back up? Now from this candle now I can determine a little bit, but I cannot tell you if it will go up or not. Now from this candle you could see that it engulfed this one candle, 1 2 3 4 3-month candle. 4 3-month candle. Just one candle of a 3-month candle engulfed 4 whole 3 good month candle. Are you listening? So now see what caused the push to the upside. I think it is a Fibonacci level. You all know that I'm a very I don't trade without Fibonacci. Fibonacci tells me the direction and it gives me the confidence that I need. Now look at it. Market pulled back. Look at it. When market came to this place, it pulled back down, it tested, now went back up, pulled back, then it came back up again. As it came back to this decision level, it pulled back to the 60 Fibonacci level. You understand? You know that the 50 and the 60 Fibonacci level is the golden ratio. Now pull back and that was what caused this rally to the upside. Are you saying that was what caused that rally to the upside? Now I'm taking out this. What did I just take out? Now at this point now you can see the market came to this place here and created this what did they call this? It created this a pin bar here, or I can call it an indecision candle. Those people that are trading CRT can see this and say it's a reversal pattern, and they will likely catch the sell back to this place here. But you all know that the market will always do its thing. Those people that are trading CRT, they will likely catch the sell, because I could see here it has given a very nice pattern of reversal for CRT, for those people that are trading CRT. But me that I'm trading break and retest, I know that market has created this pin bar on this key level here, but the main direction is bullish, but has come to this area of decision whereby it is deciding between the buyer and sellers who will take in control, who will be in control. Now this is the place where we have to be extraordinarily careful. 3 months is showing bullish, but has created a double top. Now we're going to be going to the 1 month time frame to see what the 1 month time frame will say. Now the 1 month time frame was creating like this consolidation, what they call it here, 1 2 3, you understand, then created this long pin bar at this point here. So this one now is currently going up. Now we don't know where this one now is leading to, either it's leading to up to try breaking up this thing to complete the higher highs and higher lows, or it's coming back to retest back this zone, because you all know I've always liked preaching this, that market move from zone to zone. For a break and retest trader, market move from zone to zone, so you have to just know that is basic ABCD, just basic basic forex this thing. You all know what I'm trying to say. So going now, scaling down to the lower time frame, if you take this very well, you can see the market was creating higher highs, series of higher highs and higher lows, and inside this Fibonacci level of the 3 month side, market created a head and shoulder. Look at left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline. And you see market pull back to the neckline. I see market pull back, market broke out of the neckline. So if market want to retest, market may likely come back to retest this neckline, or may come back to this place here, depending. You all know I don't trade CRT. I'm a break and retest trader, top down analyst. Now going back to the weekly time frame, to see if there's any bad boy that may likely stop this thing from going up or down. So we will likely check this. Let's see what's going on here. Now we could see that inside this weekly time frame, it was creating another higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high. Now it has come back to this place here to pull back on this place. And you all know the third touch of the trend line always does the trick on the weekly time frame. Now on the monthly time frame, market is bullish. Weekly time monthly on the 3 month time frame, market is bullish. On the 1 month time frame, market is bullish. On the weekly time frame now, market is also bullish, but it is on a level of concern. This is a concern level. This level here is a decision making level. This is level that turns markets either up or down. You see when market came to this place, it turned it back down. You see when market came back again to test it, it pulled it back down. Now you see this zone again. When market came to touch it, it went back up, came back again, went back up, came back again, and push it back down. So anytime you see market comes to this place, it does two things: either it breaks or it push back down. That is to tell you that it is a high level of concern, whereby market, the buyers and sellers always like negotiating. Who will be in control now? Are you getting me? So I'm expecting two things on this time frame. I'm expecting two things on this pair, on CADJPY. On CADJPY, CGFX is calling it here. Wait. If the market should break this place here, the market is going to be coming on the daily time frame. I'm going to be explaining it more on the daily time frame. If the market should break this place here, I will be expecting market to reach this place. Yeah, let me pin this. Let me put this, let this be only. Now if the market should break this place on the daily time frame, I'm going to be going to the daily time frame. Okay. So I think I should leave this thing and below. Yeah. So if the market should break this upside, now on the daily time frame, we will see on the weekly time frame. Sorry for this thing. We could see the market has pulled back to this place, and on this place here is also a Fibonacci level. If I'm to draw my Fibonacci level, I know that this place is a Fibonacci level, and it's also the third touch of the trend line. So let me use the Fibonacci so that I can drag it for you so that you all can see it clearer. that yeah, it is a filled zone. It is a filled zone. Now back to this place here. I like drawing my, what they call it, I just like the flip 2. The flip 2 gives me this high level of confidence that I need, you understand, as a trader. So this is it. This is the A move, B, C. Now D you want to complete, are you listening, for this time frame. But remember that there is a consign in this place here. If this thing was not here, this key level was not here, then I would have called it with no doubt market is going for what? Buys. So like this now, we'll be expecting two things: either market should drop or market should go up. But for me, I will be likely calling this thing a buy. I'll be likely calling this thing a buy because I can see many confluence here, top touch of the trend line, Fibonacci, very matured pullback. Are you getting me? So like this now, for me, if I want to catch this buy here, do at the back of my palm or the back of my head or anywhere the back is, I'm going to be putting it. So as I was saying, at this point like this now, I just have to just divide my risk into two. So as I was saying, as this place here, what's going on here? So all right. Now for me, I'll be dividing my account into two. I said my account, my risk, the normal risk I do risk. You all know I risk 10% my account, because my account, I'm an aggressive trader, so my account is not that big like that. So I'm managing the risk so that I can be able to scale up. So I've divided my risk to 10. My risk that I do risk to, on each trade, 10% into two, so it will be 5%. I'm going to be risking on this. Are you getting me? I'm going to be risking 5%, but so that in case market goes against my favor, I know that it's 5% that I'm going to be risking on the next trade. That is going to be giving me back my loss, my cover of my loss. Are you getting me? So for now, this is it. You are hearing it here on from this channel that currently market is on an indecision zone. You either volunteer to catch the buy or you hold your hands, just don't trade, leave it alone. Are you getting? Just don't trade, leave it alone. But I said again that me, I'll be catching this trade. I'm going to be catching the buy, depending. So I'm going to be going to the daily time frame, so that I can explain for you all. On the daily time frame, you see it more clearer. You'll see it more clearer. See it here on the daily time frame. This is what I want to explain to you. If market should break this zone with a bearish engulfing candle, should break this tiny point here, like this point here, should break it. If market should break that zone here, like it should go up small, should break it, bullish candle, something like this, should break it, something like this kind of candle, one daily candle break, should break it. Just know that market is going to be on a free fall. Next take profit is going to be here. You are hearing it here from this channel. If market should break this downside, this is going to be the two decision points. If market should break this downside here, because I could see this thing look like a pullback, and this pullback is looking matured. Look at how many candles that make this place to break. Just two candles, 1, 2. Look how many candles that make this upside here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So like this now, I'm going to be explaining to you all two things. If market should break this counter trend line, not counter trend line, market should break this trend line and also break this little black bar here, or little black line here. If market should break it, I will give you the go ahead to sell this pair. Sell it. First take profit here. Then next take profit here. Then the next other take profit will be this black zone here. This blue zone. This blue zone here. That is how it will be. Next take profit will be here. So if you want to catch the buy, if you also want to catch the buy, I'll also be telling you another way to catch the buy. Depending, if market does not give you that thing that you need, because market is not that trickish like that. Market is not that trickish that it will tell you something like buy and sell at the same. No. The market may induce you, deceive you, make you to feel like market won't start going up, but the entry model is your entry model legit. After doing your top-down analysis, that's what matters. Now, my entry model is legit. Are you getting me? When I mean legit, that means I don't usually, once I see it, I execute and let it be. Set and forget, and market goes. So far, my top-down analysis is right. My directional bias is right. Everything is right. My contingency plan is there. Once I see it and I execute it, that is all. Now, if market should create maybe 2 candles, break out of here, bullish break, just like this, break like this, I'll tell you stop loss will be here, entry will be here, let's take profit here. Even though your risk to reward is 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, it does not matter. The main thing is that you caught your trade. The main thing is that you entered the trade and you got something out of the market. Are you getting me? 1 to 1 risk to reward is something. There's somebody, as I said before, there's a trader that deals with 1 to 1 risk to reward and is bastardly profitable, consistently profitable. Even someone that is trading SNR, or what they call that thing, that their risk to reward is 1 to 1,000, 1 to 1 million, cannot compare with the person that is risk to reward is 1 to 1, because of how good his strategy is. So now this is first contingency plan. If the market should come around with a bearish candle break out of this line here, just know that wow, this thing is going to be a free fall down to this place here. Joshua is giving you the go ahead to plot it. So let me be drawing my little distance here, so you can be seeing it. I'm going to be taking out this line. I like drawing. I like using zones to explain things. Yeah, so that is all to it. I'm going to be dragging this here so that it can be more equal. Then this one, I think I'm going to be putting it back down and below. So if market should break this downside here, be expecting a sell. If you're that kind of trader that can sell from here, no wahala. But me, this is my contingency plan. If market should break here with 2 candles or 1 candle, such as this, but it's just far from here, I'll be entering the trade. I'll be opening on the trade, then catching it here. I will make more than what you make. I will make a lot more than what you make. Then if market should give me my entry model, I'm going to be going to the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you how I'm going to be catching the buy if market should, which I'm going to be going to this place here. Then I'm going to be setting this place to only. So like this, I'm going to be setting here. I'm going to be putting my alarm here. I'm going to be setting it there so that it will be like set and forget. Are you seeing? So I'm going to be going to the 4-hour time frame. Let me show you all how I'm going to be taking advantage of the buy if and only if I should see something. Now I could see the market has broken out from this counter trend line. Look at how many touches. 1, 2, and market has broken out of the trend line. You see, market has broken out of the counter trend line, and without that, apart from that, on the 4-hour time frame, we could see that the market is also on top of this place, created a double bottom. Are you seeing? Created a double bottom on top of this place. So market may likely pull back to this zone like this. Let me show you all what the market may likely do. The market may likely pull back to this side, a steeper, then break out. If the market should break out from that upside, that's what I just need. These are my contingency plan and they keep me in check. That's the reason why I tell you I don't hide anything here. I give you free of charge. It's left for you to subscribe and follow. That's what matters. It's left for you because you'll be picking a lot of things, information from here. A lot, something that you didn't pay. You just only what you just did is just your time and your follow. That is all. This thing is too big. I don't like. The reason why my chart is looking now very dirty like this is because I'm explaining to you all. If I'm analyzing my this thing, I don't like leaving my chart like this. That is the main reason why. I don't like it. I hate it. It really makes me feel irritated. Now you all can see the contingency plan here. If market should pull back, not break, should pull back more further to this downside and break with a bullish candle. Break out of this zone here with a bullish candle, powerful candle, not this kind of weak rejection candle. A one whole candle just like this one here, just like this bearish engulfing candle, or just like this bullish engulfing candle. If market should break it, should come out maybe with two candles or one candle, depending. But I would likely like to see this thing pull back down, then push to the upside. Once I see that, I'll be hopping on the trade. Take profit will be on the daily time frame, what they call it. So this may give me one to two reach to reward, depending. Are you getting? The main thing here is quality trade over quantity. Quality trade over quantity. I trade on what the market gives me. If the market gives me 1-to-1, I'm okay, but nothing less. If the market give me 1 ratio something, no, 1 ratio 0 point something, 1 ratio 0.5, 1 ratio 0.8, I won't take the trade. But if the market should give me 1 ratio 1, 1 ratio 2, CADJPY will be taking the trade. 1 ratio 3 will be taking the trade, because the quality of the trade matters a lot for me. Are you getting? The quality of the trade matters a lot for me. You all may say like you're not the one controlling the market. No, but these are my contingency plan, and they are the things here that keeps me in check. That's what I'm trying to explain to you all. If I don't see this, I won't enter. I will stay on my hand. If I see this, I will enter. I will hop on it, because I know what top-down analysis is, and I know how to use my tools. You understand? I know how to use my tools. That is all to it. Now, the main thing here is that if market should break this, the concern here is that market may likely be moving up slowly, or market may pull back, may break out here with full force. Remember that from the 3-month time frame down to the daily time frame, market is bullish. Are you getting me? Market is bullish, but the concern here is this blue zone. Market has on the 3-month time frame, market has come to this blue zone and created a double top or an equal top. So that equal top may likely push it back down. And also I could see some people that are trading CRT, that market has also given them something nice and juicy, so they may likely catch the sale. That's the reason why I said that on the okay. Let me go back to that 4-hour time frame. I don't like leaving 4-hour time frame when I want to enter trade, except if I'm seeing something else. Like, did you see something like this? Like, except if I'm in the 4-hour time frame, then I see minor structures, and I want to just scalp, or I want to do day trade, I can just go to the daily, to the 50. So to make this video not to be that long, just main thing here, there are two things in plan. If this thing should pull back down and break out with a bullish engulfing candle, enter a buy. Take profit should be on this daily time frame. So our take profit is going to be here. So that is all. Like, our take profit is going to be here. If we are to enter trade on the 4-hour time frame, our take profit is going to be here on the weekly time frame. Are you getting me? That's where our take profit is going to be. But if we are going to be entering for a sell, that's if market should give us a clue of selling this pair, our next take profit is going to be here. You all know our next take profit is going to be here. Our next take profit is going to be here, this place here. Are you getting me? So I just want to see one candle break, just one candle break, and then I'll be catching it. Stop loss will be here. entry will be here, take profit will be here. So that is all to this trade. So if you like my content, please make sure you do like and subscribe. Let's see how the market plays and gives us what it's supposed to give us. So have a nice day. Peace out.